Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Word is ready and your files are accessible. Open Word, sign in, and choose New or Open from the File menu so you can begin immediately. Once done, enable autosave if you use OneDrive. This prevents lost work. Make sure your document is named and stored in a folder you recognize. This makes collaboration and version recovery simple. Finally, adjust preferences like default font and autosave interval so your workflow is consistent. You now focus on building content and structure. Apply styles for headings so you can navigate quickly and create an automatic table of contents later. Insert visuals and tables from the Insert tab, then use wrap text and alignment controls to position them. This keeps layout clean across exports. Once you edit, use track changes and comments for review. This shows modifications without losing original text. If you need any section fast, press Command plus F, or open the navigation pane with Command plus Option plus F to jump between headings. You finish by cleaning up and exporting your document. Run spelling and grammar and read aloud to catch errors and improve flow. Make final style tweaks to headings and spacing so the output looks professional. When ready, export to PDF via File Export or use Save as to pick. DocX or other formats, upload to OneDrive if you want cloud backup. If Word becomes unresponsive, force quit with Option plus Command plus ESC, then reopen. Recover from autosave or the recovered files in Word to.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.